Hi, I'm Barbara. I am a challenge manager in the CivTech program, and I'm thrilled that we have launched our first CivTech Sprint. The challenge sponsor for this CivTech Sprint is a partnership between the Scottish Government's Data Innovation Team and Police Scotland, and it's a really exciting challenge, all focused on how to develop ethical and explainable artificial intelligence-based solutions.
When we talk about AI, we are talking about a range of approaches to machine intelligence applied to challenges as diverse as natural language processing, machine vision, and reasoning. If you're up for the challenge, you will develop a new approach to ethical and explainable AI in the public sector, which is scalable and repeatable, starting with a specific use case, working with Police Scotland.
Hi, I'm Detective Inspector Stephen Cartwright of Police Scotland. On average, we create around 1,100 intelligence logs every day in Police Scotland. These are manually processed by an army of local intelligence officers. Each log is different, they vary in scale and significance, but regardless, they all require significant manual processing effort. Now, there's an enormous opportunity here to create efficiencies through automation. For example, in identifying and creating entities, creating the contextual links between those entities, and hopefully we can even assist our understanding of the sentiment and the risks contained within each of those reports. And in doing so, we then free up those intelligence officers to analyse what the intelligence means and how we should be responding. Now, the current scope of our use case is limited to a reactive policing response to intelligence on specific individuals. When we decide if and how to respond, for instance, distinguishing between those who need safeguarding or those who may present a danger to the public, we have to make tough ethical calls. Is it right for us to act on this intelligence? Should we not act on this intelligence? Is it right to infringe an individual's privacy in these circumstances? So Police Scotland operate with the consent of the communities of Scotland. So automation can never be a black box. Ultimately, when police officers make decisions, we need to be able to go back and explain how we reach those decisions. So this is only our first step, but our approach to AI needs public support and trust right from the beginning. So can you help develop our use of AI automation to deliver better outcomes and keep people safe across Scotland?
This challenge is about developing a new approach to ethical and explainable AI and applying that to a use case that will help to make our communities safer. AI can bring fantastic benefits to our society, our economy, and our environment, drawing on the amazing talent we have here in Scotland. But we'll only be able to do that if we maintain and build public trust in the way we use data and the way decisions are made using these technologies. So it's really important that we achieve our aspiration that Scotland should become a recognised leader in the adoption and development of ethical, explainable AI.
If you're wondering what the difference between a CivTech Sprint will be and our normal challenges, basically works over the same 3 stages. We would select from the submissions we have to take multiple companies into an exploration stage. And the slight difference from our typical challenge is that rather than have an accelerator stage, we'll have a development stage, which will be focused on product development, although we will have some elements of the business support that goes into our full accelerator program. And then after that development stage, there will still be an opportunity for further pre-commercial contracts to go on and develop that product into a fully fledged, commercially viable solution which can solve the problem. So if you're interested, please do sign up to our mailing lists and look at our website to find out more. Thanks.